are. It is nighttime here, about 7:32, and I am just kind of settling in for the night. I'm not necessarily about to go to bed, but I have a phone call I have to have with my son for soccer recruitment. But I just wanted to do an unboxing. I'm in my nice Olivia Von Holly silk robe. I really love printed robes. There's a lot of colors on them. But something came in today after I did my skincare. No, it was before I did my skincare. And something came in the mail today, and I really wanted to be here to unbox this for you all. Y'all know I talk about Christopher John Rogers, the designer, all the time. I am, a collector of his pieces. I am a lover of his mind, his couture work, his artwork, his avant-garde designs, his fun designs. They're whimsical. And I got some stuff from Collection 10, which was the runway show that happened in Brooklyn in June. Remember, it was at the Brooklyn shipping yard. Everybody was there, but they didn't invite me. Please invite me to the next show. Please. I have like 17 of your pieces. I should be there. You know what I'm saying? But they had that show. It was amazing. I saw a dress or two, and I saw a lot of pieces, but I saw 2 dresses that ended up becoming part of my collection. And so just want to go ahead and unbox that right now for you all. I'm so excited. I'm always grateful whenever I get anything. Just grateful for the ability to have something that resonates with my personality, that is exciting. Oh my gosh, this tape is ridiculous. That's good that it's ridiculous, because you don't want your box coming open during transit from Brooklyn to here. But, I'm excited about it, and I really just wanted to share some of that joy with you all. A little late night unboxing. I did so many videos towards the end of my last season that I kind of ran out of footage, where I actually have to film new footage now. I think I have one thing from Black Friday that I need to finish editing. And my Black Friday purchases took forever to get here. One of my Black Friday purchases just got here yesterday. Isn't that crazy? And it wasn't from overseas. It was from Brooklyn, New York, allegedly. This took forever to get it here and to get their system together. But without further ado, the box is open. I'm excited, and I want to present to you all this dress I've been waiting on since June. Oh my God, look, they got my name on it. I don't even know what this is saying, but I know I'm gonna cry. Okay, y'all know that's my real name. Dear Naisha, thank you so much for your support in the brand. We hope you enjoy their new dress. Okay? Yes, last time you all said thank you so much for your endless support, But, yeah, that's me. I keep these cards. I am not throwing this card away. Because y'all know. I love it. I don't even care if it's an assistant who wrote it and not CJR. I'm keeping it. All right, so let's just get excited about this. Get excited. I'm excited even though I'm tired. Sleepy. Oh, it's got some weight to it. This is what I'm talking about. When I picked this box up, I was like, oh, it's not fluffy. So I am going to just slide it out because, this is my last CJR pre-order. I don't have anything else on pre-order at all. So I have that beautiful knit polo wool dress that was on the runway. I'm going to show you guys a clip right there. I have that dress. And I'm really excited about it. Oh my gosh, like I said, it has weight to it. It's colorful. Just smells like luxurious newness. Look, honey, okay, we are getting the first previews just right along with me. It's made in China is what it says, because I know that they have the knitting machine. Some stuff is definitely made in China and not in Brooklyn. I love when CJR does blue. I really love his the colors that he selects for his line when he does blue. He doesn't do blue a lot, but he is doing blue in the latest line for Collection 11, which you all should check out. I have another video coming out for that as well. It's exciting. We're giving. It's giving, honey. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just pull it all the way up. This has some weight to it. This is literally what I love. I love a long maxi dress that has weight to it. What I'm happy about is that I think that I'm gonna be able to fit it. It's not going to be too long. My concern was like based on the runway look is that it was going to be like way too long. But I don't think that's going to be the case because it looks like it fits well. So this is what the dress looks like. It does have some wool in it. Let me see if I can give you some specs because I am a fabric snob. It should be over here on this side. Or, where is it? Maybe it's in the tag. I can't find it. It's probably not there because, here it is. Details, okay? So, collection 10 featured on there. And it's 50% wool and 50% rayon. You all know rayon fabric allows things to have a little bit of sheen. Oh my god, I did not know this had a sheen to it. Oh! So, can you see, like, you see that like that? Oh my gosh. It's like sheeny, sparkly glitter. So that's like a micro diddy dot of Lurex, and now I keep wiping it like it's really glitter, but it's not. But the black fibers do not have it in there. This had to be a charge to design on a knitting machine. I mean, I can't even imagine how long it took. I'm gonna put it on and just hold on. Yeah, I don't know why people decide to dress like fully in camera. What is the fascination with doing that? Like, why are we doing that all the way? Like, everybody got receipts of panties today. I'm going to push this back here so that you can see it. I'm in my office. I've been unboxing for boxes, and I'm also selling everything that I want to get rid of on eBay. So I have all this stuff. This fits me absolutely perfectly, and I feel like they knew that I was short because on the runway, and I guess maybe they designed it longer for the model, it's right at the perfect place. Like my little scarf turban thing is falling off, but it looks great. It feels good. Oh man, like I say, this stuff is always worth the money. It's never not worth the money. Sorry, can't control it, but it's never not worth the money. You know, and then you supporting black designers. I do wish that. No, I don't wish anything. Let me see these buttons. You see these buttons? Loving them. What did you say, hon? Hold on a second. You're gonna hold on. All right. Have a good day. Bye. All right. Well, anyway, that's the dress right here. My CJR dress. I just wanted to show y'all before I head off to bed and put my robe back on. It's giving. I definitely recommend it. I bought a small, not an extra small, because I figured I didn't want it to be so clingy, and this is the perfect size for me. Definitely has extra stretch in it. I'm going to get the red one from McMullen, the shop. Don't nobody get that dress because I really want it. You can buy the one I want. But I would like to have the red and the blue in a perfect world, but I'm just going to get the red because it will match with some shoes I have. But I'm really, I can't wait to wear it. I'm going to wear it. So, okay. Alright. Sorry. Fashion is exciting. Alright. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. Have fun. Enjoy your night. And I'm going to go. Well, I don't know if I want to do. I'm going to do some jade rolling on my face tonight. I already did skincare. Do some jade rolling. Make some prayer and meditate, journal, and go to bed. Alright. Bye.